In a region as culturally rich and diverse as West Africa, the Ankara Midi dress takes on subtle nuances depending on where it is worn and how it is styled. In Nigeria, for instance, the Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa traditions have long celebrated fashion as an expression of social identity and spiritual dignity. Yoruba mothers are often seen in Ankara Midi dresses with flared peplum waists, structured bodices, and round high necklines paired with elaborate geli head wraps. These styles are typically vibrant, featuring coral reds, indigo blues, or emerald greens, and adorned with carefully layered sleeves and pleats that lend a touch of ceremony to every step. Igbo mothers favor midi dresses with high V-neck collars sewn modestly closed, subtle waist sashes, and full gathered skirts, often accessorized with coral beads and lace shawls. Meanwhile, in northern Nigeria, Hausa mothers may choose midi-length kaftan-style Ankara dresses with long sleeves and embroidery around the neckline, modestly tailored with elegance and restraint. In Ghana, where Kent and Ankara often intermingle, the modest midi dress has become a daily symbol of family grace. Ghanaian mothers lean towards midi dresses with elbow-length sleeves and square necklines, often choosing Ankara prints in vibrant orange, yellow, and blue. Some designs incorporate a blend of Ken-inspired lines and Ankara swirls, merging cultural stories in each piece. Ghanaians are known for styling their daughters in dresses that reflect youthful energy, using frilly hems, crisscross back ties, or bubble sleeves, while maintaining modest lengths and cuts. Fathers and sons, particularly for Sunday services, are seen in ankle-length or mid-thigh tunics with side slits and stiff collars, often completed with well-shined leather shoes. In Senegal and the Gambia, where Islamic fashion has long influenced local style, Ankara Midi dresses for mothers are more modestly cut, often featuring long fluted sleeves and ankle-grazing hems layered over plain cotton trousers. However, for family harmony, the hem is still commonly referred to as midi in shape even if extended. High-collared necklines, drop shoulders, and tailored waists ensure these dresses retain elegance. The men's tunics in these regions are longer and looser, but when created from Ankara prints, they transform into radiant statements of unity and reverence. Sons and daughters are often dressed in simplified versions of their parents' outfits, with little girls wearing balloon-sleeved midi frocks and boys in two-piece sets that allow them to move freely while looking respectable. As the family-centric fashion movement continues to blossom, designers across West Africa are also paying careful attention to how modesty guides tailoring decisions. The goal is to ensure comfort, dignity, and beauty without exposure or constraint. For many women, especially mothers and grandmothers, modesty does not mean hiding. It means honoring one's body, one's culture, and one's spiritual beliefs. That's why Ankara Midi dresses for mothers are never too tight, never sleeveless, and never low-cut. Instead, they are gracefully contoured to offer shape without revealing the body. Clever darts, paneled bodices, and princess seams offer gentle structure, while flared skirts with box pleats or godettes provide movement and airiness without compromising modesty. Sleeves are given special attention, with variations that are both elegant and practical. Bishop sleeves with fitted cuffs, lantern sleeves that puff at the elbow, and bell sleeves with layered Ankara frills all add visual drama without straying from modest ideals. Necklines are high, either round, square, or gently V-shaped and raised, always avoiding plunges or off-shoulder styles. Designers are also incorporating comfortable back zippers, hidden side pockets, and breathable linings, ensuring that these dresses are not only modest but also functional for busy mothers managing family responsibilities throughout the day. For men, modesty is communicated through structure, fit, and simplicity. There is a cultural expectation for men to be well-groomed, neat, and appropriately dressed, especially when representing their families in public. Ankara tunics that fall just above the knee with three-quarter or long sleeves are widely appreciated. Embroidery is often limited to the neckline, cuffs, or chest in straight, symmetrical lines to avoid excessive flamboyance while still honoring detail. Fathers are choosing deep earth tones, browns, maroons, and forest greens, with Ankara prints that carry a quiet authority. The result is a look that commands respect through refinement rather than extravagance. Even in tailoring for children, modesty plays a foundational role. Designers ensure that dresses for girls always include sleeves and high necklines, regardless of how playful the pattern may be. Skirts fall below the knee and are lined with soft cotton or tulle to provide both comfort and volume. Boys' shirts and tunics follow the same respect for structure, using button-up styles or pullover tunics with solid trousers. Modesty here is not enforced. It is celebrated as a form of dignity that brings out the best in the child's appearance and manners. As these beautiful styles sweep across West Africa, they are also being proudly embraced by African families living abroad. From London to New York, from Toronto to Paris, West African diasporic communities are rediscovering the power of family fashion to preserve culture and pass down heritage through generations. Community churches, cultural festivals, weddings, and family reunions have become stages for showcasing coordinated Ankara Midi styles. African mothers in the diaspora are wearing Ankara Midi dresses to school functions, while their daughters turn heads in mini-me versions that spark curiosity and admiration among classmates. Fathers wear their tunics with pride to business networking events, cultural dinners, and even casual Fridays at work. Designers in the diaspora are responding by creating ready-to-wear family collections using Ankara in soft knits, breathable jersey, or wrinkle-free wax blends that work with colder climates. They are tailoring Ankara Midi dresses with lining and longer sleeves to accommodate winter layering while still maintaining African identity. Some pieces are even being fused with Western silhouettes, like trench coat collars, pleated midi skirts, or puff-sleeve jackets in Ankara prints, bringing together two worlds in fashion harmony. The effect is more than just visual, it is emotional. Wearing Ankara as a family abroad becomes an act of memory, a bridge to the homeland, and a promise that even in foreign lands, cultural values will remain strong. Every stitch, every seam, and every print placement tells a story of heritage, unity, and beauty. Ankara Midi dresses, modest, elegant, and coordinated, are now more than just garments. They are the language of family, spoken fluently across generations and borders.